We're going to take a look at this option here, Facebook sharing. In order to see the relevance of this, we're going to have to take a look at databases and sharing. So we're going to use our test database, and I'll navigate to that now. And if we go to database settings and we click edit settings, there's a setting we need to have ticked, and this is social media sharing here, and we need to make sure that that is ticked. Also, under access control, we need to make sure that viewing items is public in order that we can share them. So at the moment it's private, so I'm going to set it to public. So that database is now set up, so items stored in that database can be shared on social media. Next we'll look at the search, and that is number 32, edit. And we look at access control, and we need to make sure that items searched is public. Right, so now if we go to our testing search, we'll refresh, and I'll add, for example, let's just click on tennis, and we'll submit that search, and we'll just open one here, and you'll see we get an open in new page link here, so we'll click on that. And because we have social media sharing switched on, we get these options here to share on X or Twitter, LinkedIn, or we're able to copy the link to this entry. So what you can see is missing is Facebook. Now Facebook requires its own app ID, so what we would do to add a sharing link for Facebook is we would go to the options page and put our app ID here. So in order to create an app ID, we'll click on here, and it guides you on creating an app, and you'll be able to create an app ID here, which you'll add here. I'm not going to do a real one, I'm going to go and do a fake one, so this wouldn't actually work. So we'll save this. Dataflex Link doesn't know if this is a valid app ID or not. That's down to Facebook to check that, and it's up to you guys to check that you've put the right ID in. So what we will do though is if we refresh this page, we should get a Facebook link. There we go, and this now means that we can share this entry across these platforms. In order to take full advantage of these links, you'll need to install a plugin called Dataflex Link Preview, and I'll add a link in the description to a tutorial for that plugin, and also a link should appear in the top right hand corner now.